breaking update, what we are learning that amid growing fuel shortage in Pakistan, there are reports that suggest that petrol is now being sold in a bottle as small as 50 and 100 ml. And in several areas as well, the shortage is so much that the fuel prices have already been skyrocketing, making it people cannot afford when it comes to petrol in larger quantities. And there on your screens that you can see, as little as 50 ml, 10 ml bottles that seems to be sold. And this seems to be a result that small vendors have now started selling limited amounts of fuel. Now, situation in Pakistan reflects a worsening economic and energy crisis in the country. And this is a shortage of petrol that is also impacting transportation and daily life that has caused inconvenience to the public at large. Ankit हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं. Ankit, ये सही तस्वीर है पाकिस्तान की. As far as the begging bowl of Pakistan is concerned, अपने हालात को तो वो ठीक कर नहीं पा रहे हैं और when it comes to mediation करने चले हैं. Ankit? Well, that seems to be the reality of Pakistan that actually needs to be kept forth, especially for that part of the ecosystem who continues to praise Pakistan for its so-called role in mediation that neither Iran nor US has accepted. Now, as far as in the last 1 month alone, Pakistan has been steadily raising the prices of basic amenities such as petrol and fuel is concerned, and that has gone up to such an extent that small bottles are now being sold to the public. ये तो हालात है अंकित पाकिस्तान के. बड़े चले हैं आगे मीडिएशन करने के लिए, पहले अपने हालात को तो सुधारे.
एग्जैक्टली यही असलियत है पाकिस्तान की. एक तरफ पाकिस्तान ये दावा करता है कि हम मीडिएटर बनेंगे यूएस, इजराइल और ईरान के बीच, लेकिन दूसरी तरफ क्या हालात है खास तौर पे इंटरनली पाकिस्तान के, ये साफ तौर पे दिखाता है कि किस तरीके से क्राइसिस में पाकिस्तान है. छोटी छोटी बोटल्स में वहां पे अब पेट्रोल बिक रहा है. दूसरी तरफ ऑल्टरनेट डेज पे जो स्कूल्स है उनको खोला जाता है, एक तरफ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ली जाती है. ना सिर्फ पाकिस्तान, ये पूरे पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर या फिर अगर हम खैबर की बात करें उस तरफ भी यही हालात है. ये तस्वीर साफ तौर पे दिखाती है कि पाकिस्तान किस हालात से इस वक्त गुजर रहा है. जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ आतंकवाद को बढ़ावा देता है उस देश का यही हाल होता है. और यही असली तस्वीर है पाकिस्तान की. साफ तौर पे देखने को मिल रहा है कि 50 जो यहां पे 50 लीटर की बोतल है, जो मिलीलीटर की बोतल है, छोटी छोटी बोतल है, उसके अंदर अब ये तेल बेच रहे हैं. और खास तौर पे ये कोई पेट्रोल पंप नहीं है, ये एक जनरल स्टोर टाइप की दुकान है, छोटी सी दुकान है जहां पर ये पेट्रोल बेच रहे हैं. ये दिखाता है कि अगर आप आतंकवाद को बढ़ावा देंगे, आप मिलिट्री रूल के तहत देश चलाएंगे, तो यही हालात होगी. ये सिर्फ नाम के लिए पॉलिटिशियन वहां पर बैठे हुए हैं, लेकिन आम जनता किस तरीके से वहां पे पूरी तरीके से परेशान है, ये साफ तौर पे देखने को मिल रहा है. हमने पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर में भी देखा था कि किस तरीके से बिजली की रेटें लगातार बढ़ती हुई नजर आई, जो वीट कॉस्ट है उसकी रेट लगातार बढ़ती हुई नजर आई, जो पेट्रोल कॉस्ट है उसकी रेट लगातार बढ़ती हुई नजर आई. लेकिन अब जिस तरीके से लगातार क्राइसिस पाकिस्तान में साफ तौर पे देखने को मिल रहा है, ये असली तस्वीर है पाकिस्तान की, जो पूरे विश्व में आप साफ तौर पे नजर आ रही है कि किस तरीके से दिखाने को कुछ और है, लेकिन इंटरनल सिचुएशन पाकिस्तान की साफ तौर पे कुछ और ही बयां करती है.
So absolutely, Ankit, because if fuel prices are increased, in fact, it has been said that the price of kerosene has also been hiked over there. That means it will have a ripple effect. So transportation, that will increase. If transportation increases, then when it comes to food material, that will also further, increase, and it will become unbearable as far as for the people there, the awam there of Pakistan, to even get their basic amenities right. RSN Singh sir is with us right now. RSN Singh sir, ये तो हालात है पाकिस्तान के sir. They are doubling when it comes to the fuel prices, and sir, petrol and fuel is now being sold in 10 ml bottles. What is exactly, first of all, the point of selling petrol in like 10 ml bottles? What would be the use? But does it want to still play the role of a so-called mediator?
No, why has the Pakistan landed up in this situation? The basic reason is it's anti-India obsession. It is all the way all through these years, it has been, dying a slow death. And the only thing I can figure out is this, anti-India obsession, which has, sucked in all the positive energies, that it might have had, when it was created. I don't know whether how much positive, energies it did have, but it is dying a slow death. And look at the irony of things. A country which was made in the name of Islam, homeland for Muslims. Today, West Asia, nobody is coming to its rescue, even though it is talking big, having all those, meetings of various Muslim countries, on the issue of this ongoing Iran-Israel conflict. But this is where it has landed up itself today. And compare that with us. We, a country, a civilizational country, a liberal country.
There are certain individuals in the ecosystem who seems to be praising Pakistan's role and questioning our foreign policy, saying that we have squandered an opportunity to bring peace in West Asia.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. And that is why, today, what is the state of Pakistan? Is it, state of Pakistan that it ceases to be a state now? It is just a leverage in the hands of the Americans and powers that be. And, who takes them seriously now? So they are at the mercy of, the Americans.
Well, unfortunately, certain ecosystem in the country here seems to be taking, the Pakistan narrative seriously, sir, because they seem to be projecting and parroting the exact line that Pakistan unfortunately takes. Thank you very much, Mr. Arasan Singh, for joining us here on the broadcast. ये जो 10 ml की bottles है, अंकित, इनका काम क्या है सबसे पहले? Let me just also connect with Major General K.K. Sinha joining us here on the broadcast. Sinha, sir, this is the abject reality of Pakistan, sir. They don't have fuel, they don't have kerosene, and they want to mediate.
Good afternoon and Jai Hind. The Pakistan's, this phenomena in Pakistan has been since long. The country very rightly described by the External Affairs Minister that they are a pimp, dalal. He has used the word dalal. A country which is there, they don't get it anything. In bargain, the way the Pakistan is getting balkanized, absolutely you are saying that there's no fuel. Fuel was not there during Operation Sindoor also. There, their tanks, their HMBs, all those were standard because there was no fuel. That time, of course, Saudi Arabia was saying that, there is a trusted friend. And why it is not coming? Because they do not give the money. So whatever is coming, it is coming through the smuggling. Pakistan is getting the oil, kerosene, everything by smuggling from the Persian Gulf. This is a known fact. And now, of course, Iranians have allowed them to, carry these tankers. They can, Pakistan is permitted to go. But the matter of the fact, they do not have the money to pay. So they generally do this type of smuggling, sell it.
But
and
sir,
what
is
you're saying,
Pakistan in a position really to fancy itself in a role of a mediator, sir? Because neither Iran, neither America has accepted it.
See, any country which wants to just show that they are, they are in the helms of all affairs of the globally, whether it is with China, with America, with, it's come to sometime with Afghanistan, with now Iran, they are doing it. But the matter of the fact that they do not have the depth, they do not. They keep jumping. If, Asim Munir and Sabah Sarir can see that, Donald Trump should get the Nobel Peace Prize and nominating. So this type of, we say childish, behavior, a country should, which they have been showing every time.
Yes,
they mediated between the United States of America and China in 71. But matter of the fact that the treatment over there, they get it. And they keep blaming that, terrorism has come because
well, sir, they have reduced them itself to such a level that nobody in the world is actually to take Pakistan seriously, sir. and this is because of their own doing. Thank you very much, Sinha sir, for your point of view.
I have no doubt that Pakistan is not able to take its care of its Awam, because that has been their thought right from beginning, and they just take care of the elite, the military bosses, the political bosses, and they are busy making money. And they claim that 2 containers are coming every day, but where are they going? Why isn't it reaching the Awam? The Awam need to ask questions from the rulers that what are you doing about us? And there's no long-term planning, there's nothing. And on the other hand, if you see in India, the prices are not even, government has and reduce its income generation by cutting down on excise. So, I mean, there's a difference where somebody's focus is on common man, common people. Our thought was that the kitchen should not get closed. The commercial cylinders were stopped, but domestic cylinder, domestic gas, PNG, there's no long queues on the petrol pumps. Today only I got my petrol filled. There's no problem. Actually, we are not feeling anything that there's an issue of any impact of war. That's a difference. So unless you think of the common people, unless the thought is there in your mind, unless ethos are there, that is totally missing, because their focus remains on terrorism, their focus remains on corruption, their focus remains on making money by the politicians, military bosses, and naturally the common man suffers. And that is what is happening at present.
Thank you very much, Soy sir, for your point of view. Well, that seems to be the reality that Pakistan needs to get also a reality check to that ecosystem back home. Because here, when it comes to their own leaders, Ishaq Dar now seems to be claiming that Pakistan is very happy when both Iran and US have now expressed their confidence in Pakistan to facilitate talks between the warring countries. Where is this even coming from? Because neither the US nor when it comes to Iran have even accepted what Pakistan seems to be self-styling or patting itself on the back for playing the role of a so-called mediator. Well, this seems to be the irony coming in from a rogue state and now from a broke state like Pakistan. Thank you very much, Ankit. आपका बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. We're going to head into a very short break.